Did you know that the tiny phone in your pocket is millions of times more powerful than the tech that got mankind to the moon back in 1969? With all this talk about NASA finally getting us back up there again in the next 5 years, it's crazy to think of how rapidly technology has changed, both in our personal lives and in the business environment. This holds especially true for contact centers. If your contact center is running on outdated tech, you'll quickly lose the race to provide customers with seamless experiences, ultimately tanking your customer attention and costing you revenue. And it's not just me saying that. The stakes are high as studies show that 1 in 5 customers will almost immediately abandon a brand after a single poor experience. That should make all of us in the CX space pause and reflect on how well we serve our customers. Your tech stack is a critical piece of the CX puzzle. So today we're reviewing 5 pieces of CX tech that will help you keep your edge and expand your influence through personalized, customer-centric pathways. Welcome to Snackable CX, where we break down our best resources into bite-sized guidance on how to stand out and be known for your customer experience. I'm Sam Salerno, here from Mindful, the best-in-class, total experience solution that aims to add kindness to your tech stack. First up on our list of customer experience tech is artificial intelligence. It might just be me, but it feels like everyone and their mom is talking about AI right now. Chances are you already use some form of AI in your contact center to automate simple tasks and requests. But here are the most common uses of AI, and really the ways that you should already be using it. Let's start with chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs that interact with customers without a live agent needing to be present. They make great self-service tools for customers looking for basic information on things like account balances, shipping information, stock queries, or other basic questions. But chatbots have a way to go before they take over the world and replace human agents. Outdated chatbot tech can actually hinder the customer experience when it's not programmed well. I mean, think of all the times you've been stuck in a chatbot feedback loop, unable to find an answer to your question, but also not having a clear step forward. To solve this, you need to implement advanced chatbot AI that offers users a call from a live agent when it senses customer frustration, like when they repeatedly type agent into the command bar, or when the AI senses it's reached the limit of its self-help capabilities. Now, instead of a digital dead end, you create a seamless experience where customers can quickly transition to the voice channel to get the help they need. And the best part? This kind of omni-channel tech carries the customer's context from the chatbot to the agent so the caller doesn't have to repeat themselves and the agent can see exactly who they are and what they need help with. AI tech number 2, Agent Assist. This cool piece of AI tech sits above the core processes of a customer service agent. While the agent is on the phone, an Agent Assist solution can provide them with caller context, background information, and even serve up contextual resources from a knowledge database. This lets agents spend more time providing customers with answers and reduces their overall time to resolution rate. This tech also creates a more seamless workflow experience for your agents before, during, and after their calls. For example, before the call, Agent Assist can round up caller data so they're better equipped to address the caller. During the call, Agent Assist can listen in and prompt agents on what questions to ask or issues to address. And after the call, Agent Assist can quickly summarize the call in the agent's notes and use natural language processing tools to note customer and agent sentiment. When you tee up your agents for better calls, it drastically reduces customer frustration and gives agents way more confidence in their conversations, helping them deliver a more human-centered experience. And lastly for AI tech, the IVR. Similar to chatbots, IVRs can be a great help or a great hindrance to the customer experience. One study from Vonage found that 51% of customers have abandoned a business altogether because they've called and hit an IVR menu, and 74% of the money they would have spent ended up in their competitors' pockets instead. That's because no one wants to sit and listen through an antiquated option menu, press a button, listen to another menu, and then repeat the process until they finally get to the right place. Customers want quick, easy help in an IVR, whether through a self-service menu or from a live agent. To accomplish this, modern IVRs must function as both an intelligent deflection tool and a gateway to the contact center. It needs to be modular, flexible, and easy to use so callers can quickly self-serve without hanging up in frustration, or easily connect with an agent without having to spam the 0 key or yell agent a million times. There are plenty of ways you can improve your IVR sequence, and we have a bunch of ideas on our blog. But if you want to go even further down the rabbit hole of creating a premier customer experience, consider letting your callers skip the IVR and schedule a call with an agent through a click-to-call widget on your website or mobile app. We're seeing and helping more and more Fortune 500 companies do this in their contact centers and saving millions in costs and overhead while removing friction and delighting customers. All right, second on our list of vital CX tech, speech analytics. Speech analytics uses speech recognition software to identify spoken keywords and emotions in audio recordings or live calls. This gives agents and contact center managers insight into why their customers are calling and the sentiment behind each call. Here's an example. Contact center managers could program a speech analytics tool to flag conversations where callers say, "Cancel my service," or identify conversations where the customer sounds frustrated with their service rep. CX managers can use this real-time data to spot where they might need to step into a call and address the caller's concern. And after the call, they can use the data to better coach and train their agents. Think of it like giving your agents a super smart extra set of ears for every conversation. Speech analytics automatically reduces the burden on agents to remember and analyze each call, giving them extra leeway to serve the customer. Third piece of tech, voice biometrics. Consumers use voice biometrics every day, from smartphone speakers and assistants like Alexa and Siri to high-level security clearances where they have to speak their name to log in. Voice biometric tech provides a way to identify callers through their voice cadence, pitch, tone, and even their accent, making it super hard for bad actors to alter or replicate. Does anyone else have the Mission Impossible theme song going on in the back of their head?
It seems we have a problem, Dimitri.
You keep calling me Dimitri. You really shouldn't.
You are not Dimitri.
Many contact centers are turning to voice biometrics because it allows customers to identify themselves through voice rather than rigorous questions and answers. Instead of asking for sensitive information like birth dates or social security numbers over the phone, voice biometrics allows customers to bypass all background checking and get straight to resolution, leading to a significantly reduced number of time-consuming agent interactions. Number 4, robotic process automation, or RPA. Not to be confused with AI, robotic process automation handles mundane tasks like information gathering. Where AI is built around machine learning, becoming more capable over time, RPA is strictly rules-based task performance. For example, you can tell a bot to analyze 100,000 customer interactions and receive a report within minutes rather than tasking your workforce to spend months doing the same thing. A report by Deloitte states that RPA can bring a company as much as an 86% increase in productivity for some industries. Some tasks should rarely ever involve a live agent. Tasks like gathering a customer's name, phone number, address, or date of birth can easily be offloaded to an intelligent virtual assistant and RPA workflow. What's even cooler is the RPA can carry that customer data across channels, making for a seamless omni-channel experience where customers never have to repeat their information when they switch from channel to channel. And last but not least, number 5, virtual queuing. No one enjoys waiting on hold. With a virtual queue and callback solution, customers can opt in to receive a callback either from the next available agent or at a later date and time that works better for them. But not only is it more convenient for callers, virtual queue tech makes contact centers more efficient in 3 core ways. First, our own client data shows that when customers skip the hold queue and opt for a callback, they're easier to talk to and their calls don't take as much time to resolve, meaning your agents can move through call queues faster. Second, when you can smooth out peak call volume and distribute it throughout the day or week, workforce managers can more accurately forecast their staffing needs, preventing over or understaffing and missing the mark on their service level agreements. And third, virtual queues keep customers from sitting on hold, which, when you're paying cents per minute on each phone call, can save enterprise-level companies tens of thousands of dollars on telephony costs each year. At Mindful, we like to say we turn hold time into free time. And in the last year alone, our Mindful callback solution saved callers and brands over 3.9 billion minutes of hold time, letting customers get back to their lives without the phone crammed to their ear, and helping brands create winning customer experiences that keep those customers coming back for more. Whether or not you'd like to admit it, technology will make or break your contact center. It can lead to greater operational efficiency and make life easier for your agents. Or it can lead to customer and agent frustration and churn. But at the center of all this tech talk lies the need for a proper customer-centric mindset. Your tech will only be effective if it creates personalized omni-channel experiences for your customers. This is table stakes in an environment where customer service really is the differentiator between businesses. Here at Mindful, we focus on using customer-first tech to create fantastic customer experiences. From virtual queues and call scheduling widgets to seamless omni-channel transitions in a real-time voice of customer feedback platform, we've got the tools and the know-how to help you take your brand to the top. So hit us up for a demo and let's get started. This episode has been adapted from the article 5 Customer Experience Technologies Vital to Contact Center Success, which can be found on Mindful's CX resource library at getmindful.com. We publish new Snackable CX episodes every week, so be sure to subscribe wherever you listen to podcasts. See you next time.